What's up guys, it's me obviously, and this is a super casual video. I did a poll on Instagram of like eyeliner tutorial or like no, and a lot of people actually said yeah. So I did my eyebrows because we're gonna film. I'm gonna film with my mom. So this is just gonna be a super quick video on how I do my eyeliner. So personally, well, first off, for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia pomade in medium brown. This is the one I use. I just have some foundation on it, whatever. And this is by far, out of my like 4 years of wearing eyeliner, this is my favorite eyeliner. It is the Epic Wear by NYX. It's waterproof. I have cried, I have showered, I have swam actually with this eyeliner on, and it's amazing. It's waterproof. It is fantabulous, and I'm in love with it. So if you're looking for a good waterproof mascara, this is it. It really only comes off with makeup remover, and I use the micellar water makeup remover, and it takes a while. Like, I literally have to hold it on there, but I love it because I could cry with it or whatever, so that's cool. And then I don't know which one of these I'm using right now. I just kind of have both because my mom was like, I don't need it, because she got a different one. But I use the L'Oreal Voluminous, what's this called, mascara. But before I normally used Telescopic, but I think it's by L'Oreal as well. And then I use this concealer brush to clean up my eyeliner, because I'm not good at like the actual shape. I'm good at shaping it. So I'm just going to show you the way I do it. Of course, everybody's different. If you're first learning, maybe you could use this, but this is what I've been using, and it's what's always worked for me. And then I just have foundation so that I could cover it up, and I already have some on my hand from doing my eyebrows. But then I have my little makeup rag that I've had for like 5 years. So we are going to start by doing this. So I'm just going to take these off so you can actually see my eyes. We're going to zoom in a little bit. Let me go up a little bit. So I'm going to be looking a little bit off to this side. I'm still a little bit far, in my opinion, more than I would like to be. Don't talk about my eyebrows. I'm still waiting to get them microbladed. This is just how I do them. I have a lot of space. I hate my eyebrows, but don't talk about it. I've been criticized on my eyebrows since I've started doing them. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna look up into the camera. Actually, I don't think I can. Okay, I'm gonna try. So, oh my god, I feel like this is gonna be so bad. Like, I'm gonna embarrass myself right now, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it as best as possible. If I mess up, it's because I'm not close and I can't see, and I don't want to put contacts in. Okay, so I'm gonna try again. Oh, great. All right. Alright, I start with that line. I got eyeliner under my eye. I'm gonna just draw a line. This is just a basic line, so you don't really need to be all up close for that. If you want to do like the inner corner like I do, I'll clean this up after. I like to go a little bit farther. Sometimes it looks a little bit rough, but I wear glasses, so I don't really care about this line. So I'm gonna do the line. Okay, so then I do the one line. It looks dumb right now, but just give it time. Okay, then I do the line on top. Okay, it looks rough right now, but I promise it'll look good in a little bit. And then I fill. I'm gonna fill it. Just wait, guys. Just wait, okay? Trust me. And I personally like my wings a little bit longer, so I just extend it a little bit. Okay, so there's that. Like I said, it's a little bit rough right now. So now you take your foundation, open a little bit. Concealer, whatever, it doesn't have to be foundation. And then you take your crusty concealer brush, and you just fix it. So then you, back already hurts. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this eyeliner under my eye because it's bothering the heck out of me. You could also take off this eyeliner with, look, cover it up and then you take it off. So there's that. And then it's still a little bit messy. And then you just clean it up a little bit more. And if you take your concealer a little bit too high, or foundation like I did, you can just go over it. Like this. Like that. And now I have to clean it up again. And you just keep doing that over and over. This doesn't seem like, I'm not like no professional, y'all. This is just how I learned and taught myself how to do my eyeliner. And if you're beginning, I would suggest trying this like hack, not like hack, like this helpful way to just, so you could do it ugly and then just carve it out. And I personally like to have my inner corner a little bit longer. That's just what I like. A lot of people don't like it, but this is what I do. And that's it. That's how I like to do my eyeliner. And then you put your mascara. Focus. Like I said, this is just how I do it. A lot of people might do it differently. Like I said, I'm no professional. I'm not like a makeup person. This is just how I do my eyeliner and how I like it. A lot of people might like it thinner, very natural, but this is just like my way of doing it. So it does a big difference. So yeah, I'm gonna do my other eye. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm done with my makeup. I did both sides. That's just how I like my eyeliner. Everybody likes their eyeliner how they like it. But yeah, that's my everyday makeup. I don't wear face makeup just because I don't like how it feels. But yeah, so there's my eyeliner. So yeah, that was just a super quick, simple tutorial. I hope that helped at all with anybody. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. It'll be a longer, less casual maybe. I don't know what it's gonna be. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.